There's a lot of memories, and in fact, I met my husband at the Peppermill. I came to have a cup of coffee.
And I got an omelet. I enjoy going to the Peppermill because you get treated very good when you go there. You get to know everybody when you go there. It is just like one big happy family when you go in there. Nice, open. The lighting is really nice in there. It's not dark like other places that you go into. And they have a banquet room. I love the fireplace in the banquet room. I had my daughter-in-law's baby shower there. It's a great place to go.